Three, two, one. What up, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy, SPL.
You are the jump leader. Good luck.
I am here with my boy, Tashi, aka toxicdaddy. I am gonna see if we can actually get a win between me and him. Versus Joe versus Joe. Yeah. I'm back.
Welcome to Blackout, soldier. The match is about to start. Time for the mission. Get ready.
Right. There's a page right there on the top before. I dropped it on my pen. Huh? What? Huh? Fuck off! Stop! What the fuck? Alright, do not... I got spoilers too. Do not go to fucking Rivertown. Last time she fucking went though, she died and they fucking blocked it from going to Rivertown to Fine Range. Going that way. They blocked the bridge with 2 vehicles. So try to get out of there as fast as you could before they stop blocking those bridges.
First blood.
What? Let's put it out. Hi. So, look where I landed. Wait.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Wait. Did my fucking jet land up here? Oh, I would have been fucking surprised if it would have landed up here in one piece. Would you imagine my fucking jet lands up here in one piece? Yeah. Wow. Oh. You go ahead, tell the terminal.
Where?
Terminal!
Chip terminal is almost ready.
The fucking terminal, you dumbass. And it actually picked up the Discord this time. You hear me? It actually fucking did. Because Flo and me were in a VC in yours.
The safe zone
when
is
I was recording a
collapsing.
video with her. And just to make sure it did record her voice, it fucking did. I told her it wouldn't. But it does. Come over here. I dare you. Bitch. Did that go whizzing? Did that just go whizzing past you? Why? Because the fucking rocket launcher? Can I get these two people? Because you got two.
Engaging the enemies.
Fucking
Engaging the enemy. Enemy down.
bitch!
Airdrop is coming.
Fucking asshole. I told you got killed and you got 4 of them already. Fuck you. There's nothing not possible. Jesus.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Fucking hell. Oh shit!
Dude, I'm in the fucking making a fucking video. What the fuck?
Don't worry, I'm reviving you. Make that it's a clip.
What's that?
There's a stream. There's a stream mode. Can I get a fucking kill or something, please? You're an asshole. I'm gonna fucking end the game with no kills. Fuck. I'm gonna have a video with no fucking kills. And they're gonna say, what the fuck, you're trash. They're gonna say I'm fucking trash, you asshole. How am I keeping up with you? What the fuck? Alright, bye.
Move here to get armor.
The airdrop is coming.
We're keeping up with each other. What the fuck?
Keep going. Why are you teabagging me? Stop fucking
Stop!
teabagging me!
Airdrop has been
I
delivered.
hope I did. Wait, what? Why am I wasn't too ready.
The revived flight will arrive.
I got a fucking kill! Please?
Move here to get armor.
It's a sweat, it's a sweat, it's a sweat, it's a sweat.
Engaging the enemy. I'm hurt. Engaging the enemy. I'm hurt. Enemy down.
Reload, reload. Come on, come on, come on. Oh! Oh! I just killed the 2 sweat. Those are the 2 fucking streamer mode bitches.
The airdrop is coming.
Tashi?
Airdrop has been delivered.
Hey, just so I know you got kicked. Tashi from the call.
Yeah, I know, I realized. You freaking
Half the
clutched
teams are
that, dude.
eliminated.
I don't know how the fuck I did.
Enemy down.
Damn! What the fuck? Jesus.
That was with a nade, too.
I know. I can get some shit, man. Jesus. I need rockets. Bad.
Come to me, come to me.
Jesus Christ, you sound fucking different. Holy shit.
Ammo here.
You sound fucking hella different. bridge on, you know.
I know.
The revived flight will
Sounds like a
arrive in
fucking
1
hard
minute.
spot.
We gotta go.
Touch my fucking food. Fucking fake. Fuck, we gotta go back this way. Go get your cross. Bye. I'm not saying it would laugh. If I'm running like this, I'm a fucking get killed.
Chip terminal is almost
Would you
ready.
imagine I do? Would you imagine? You get hit?
The safe zone is collapsing.
Dodgy, did you get kicked or no?
Engaging the enemies.
Yo, where are you?
Fucking hitting this bitch from all over.
Airdrop is coming.
God, shit.
Fuck. I'm trying to fucking do something.
Airdrop has been delivered. The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Don't come over here. Do not come over here. I'm trying to do something. I was trying to get a fucking long shot with my M4.
Oh, you already got the kill, I thought.
No, I was trying to fucking do something with that dude. I was shooting him. I was shooting the fences to get him out of my fucking way so I could see him. Did you grab the rocket from here too?
What?
Wait. Wait. Woo! Only 2 HP. Oh,
I was about to say, yeah.
The airdrop is coming.
I was gonna say, if you don't do it, I'm gonna snipe you.
No, I was gonna let you fucking snipe him.
Huh?
I was gonna let you snipe him if I fucking died because I was trying to kill him with a fucking rocket launcher.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Wait, Charles, you could have been dead one shot.
No, it isn't. I don't know how the fuck Flo was doing it, but she fucking hit it once. Hit him once and they all die. Keep going. Every time. She's using a fucking FHJ at the same time. That's the thing. She's using a fucking FHJ. Like I'm using. To meet him.
Engaging the enemies. Enemy
The
down.
revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Can you grab the rocket? Actually, hold on. Grab a rocket.
I don't need one.
Huh?
I don't need one.
That's my last game. Have a chat on. I'll call with you, but I can't.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Is there someone down here? Why are you chucking all your grenades? Why are you chucking all your grenades, you talk? You're gonna kill them around.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Airdrop is coming.
Like I just said, they're gonna know where the fuck I am now. You know they know where I am, right? Dodgy.
The
They know
fucking
where the fuck I
sniper.
am. They know where I am now.
Airdrop has been
Engaging
delivered.
the enemies.
Oh, I'm gonna go flank them.
Skill chips ready for upgrade.
Someone's gone.
The last revive flight will arrive in 1 minute.
I need armor.
Bullshit. That's fucking bullshit. And that's a MKC fucking cleanse. Fuck you.
Enemy is near.
You can still return to the battle.
Huh? What? Huh? What? You really got it.
Down to the last 5 teams.
Hey! Oh, you.
Holographic decoys released.
That's bullshit. Oh, yeah, that's the other